Couple days ago, I received a call from a friend from high school. Turns out he was inviting me to go with him somewhere in America. This is how it went down.
Hello? Hey Mateo, you had this trip planned with the guys just to remember the old days.
I didn't know what to say. However, I knew opportunities like this are few. So after organizing my times and thinking carefully, I took the best decision possible.
Mateo? Mateo? Oh, are you in?
The plan was simple. Catch up with friends, see how everyone is doing, make new memories, and explore a new state of the US. After settling in, we wanted to go to the nearest town, grab some snacks, get some food, and whenever we were ready, we took our first hike. After that, we wanted to go back to the closest town, grab some hats, see the things that we need to set up the camper, and then explore other mountains. Couple days later, we decided to relax for a little bit, so we went fishing. After that, Isaac decided to cook some fish for us. We prepared some other food for the following days, and after that, we worked in the construction of one of my friend's house. And when the time was up, we decided to rent a boat.